Hello friends, today we are discuss about MS Office. So what is MS Office? MS Office means Microsoft Office that develops by Microsoft Corporation, and Microsoft Office is automation tool that deals with word processing, spreadsheet and presentation. So MS Office that deals with word processing, that deals with spreadsheet and MS Office deals with presentation. And so what is word processing? Word processing means nothing but MS Word, and spreadsheet is nothing but MS Excel, and presentation is nothing but MS PowerPoint. So what is we can do with word processing? We can create letters, applications in word processing. What is the use of spreadsheet? Spreadsheet we can use in calculation. And what is presentation? We can use to present some topic. Present some topic, or we can present something, so we can use presentation, right? So what is MS Word? MS Word, we have interface that is called page, right? And MS Excel, we have sheet, right? And in MS PowerPoint, we have slide. So in MS Word, we can use MS Word by using page, or we can use Excel by using sheet, and we can use PowerPoint using slide, right? So with MS Word, then and save the file. That file have an extension that is .doc. Means if we have file name is XYZ, then .doc is the extension of MS Word file. And what is MS Excel extension? So MS Excel extension like XYZ dot XLSX, right? And what is the PowerPoint extension? So XYZ dot PPTX, the extension of the files with different MS Word. For MS Word, we have extension is .doc, and we have Excel extension, we have .xlsxc, and for PowerPoint we have .pptx, right? So this is the MS Office. So what is the common point in this MS Office? We have Office button. Office button. So Office button is the common thing in MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So what is the things in this? So we have new button, we have open button, save as, and close button, right? So when we create new file or new document, then we click on new button, right? And we can open, we want to open some already saved file or a new file, we can use open button, right? If you want to save something, save the document or any Excel sheet or workbook or any PowerPoint file presentation, then we use save button, right? And what is save as? Save as means we want to use we are use save as button for duplicate file, right? Duplicate file. And the last button is close. So close button is used for close any file, right? Only file, not whole MS Office, right? So this is the introduction of MS Office. Thank you.